Welcome to PIB News Podcast for Civil Services. Expansion of coal mines. In order to enhance the coal production to meet the country's energy requirement, Ministry of Coal requested Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to consider expansion of mine without public consultation up to 50% of their production capacity. Considering this request, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change issued an office memorandum dated 7 May 2022 regarding special dispensation for consideration of environment clearance from 40% to 50% expansion in coal mining projects within the existing premises and mine lease area without additional land acquisition. This special dispensation was provided to only those mines which have already obtained 40% dispensation based on earlier reforms provided by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Under the said office memorandum, 10 environmental clearances have been granted so far, which results to add additional capacity of 9.65 MTPA. While granting the environmental clearances to these projects, which are falling within and outside the severely polluted area, following additional environmental safeguards have been provided as part of environmental clearance condition. Transportation of coal by rail or conveyor belt. Encourage use of cleaner fuels for trucks. If the roads required to be widened up to nearest railway siding, the same be constructed to avoid traffic congestion. Installation of continuous monitoring station for ambient air quality and also for continuous effluent quality in effluent treatment plant. Data so generated shall be linked with respective State Pollution Control Board and Central Pollution Control Board websites. Reuse and recycle of treated wastewater shall be implemented as feasible with latest technology. Zero liquid discharge concept may be adopted. Increase green belt cover by 40% of the total land area beyond the permissible requirement of 33%, wherever feasible. Green belt outside the project premises such as plantation in vacant areas, social forestry, etc. to be implemented. Assessment of carrying capacity of mine and road transportation as per the state plan and instructions. A detailed water harvesting plan to be prepared for water augmentation. Installation of sewage treatment plant for generated domestic wastewater and should meet for discharge standards. Implementation of more stringent norms for management of hazardous waste like oil container, effluent treatment plant sludge etc. Submission of certified compliance report of the environmental clearance granted for total 40% expansion within 6 months along with additional capacity beyond 40%, that is 10% increase, on Parivesh portal. Accordingly, Ministry shall ascertain the adequacy of the proposed environmental safeguards. Environmental quality parameters arising out of proposed expansion shall be within the prescribed norms and the same shall be maintained as per prescribed norms. Necessary prior consent for enhanced capacity from State Pollution Control Board under Air and Water Act. Further, prior to office memorandum dated 7 May 2022, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change separately has issued another OM dated 11 April 2022, wherein expansion in production capacity in phased manner up to 50% expansion projects wherein relaxation was given to prepare environmental impact assessment and environmental management plan without process of public consultation up to 40% expansion and with public consultation for capacity expansion from 40% to 50%. Thanks for listening. Kindly like, subscribe and share.